Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add a countdown timer on OBS. Do you want to add a countdown timer to your OBS stream or recording? So without any delay, let's get started. First, open OBS Studio. In the Sources panel, click the plus button and select Text GDI Plus. Give it a name like Countdown Timer and click OK. Now in the text box, type the starting time you want, like 5 o'clock for 5 minutes. Next, right-click your new text source, go to Filters, and click the plus sign under Effect Filters. Choose Countdown Timer if you have a plugin installed, or if not, you can use a simple script. To add a script, go to Tools at the top, then Scripts, and load a countdown Lua script. You can easily find free countdown scripts online for OBS. Set the duration, choose if you want it to count up or down, and hit Start. Now you have a working countdown timer right on your stream. Perfect for starting soon screens, breaks, and game events. So that's it. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.